Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to your Target RedCard account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to a stable internet connection. Open a web browser such as Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type target.com and press enter to go to the official Target website. Look at the top right corner of the page and find the sign in option. Click Sign In to open the login menu. If you already have a Target account, select Sign In again to go to the login page. In the email or mobile number field, type the email or phone number linked to your RedCard. In the password field, type your Target account password carefully. Double-check for typing mistakes, especially if caps lock is on. Click the Sign In button to access your Target account. After signing in, locate your account icon or your name at the top right. Click it to open your account dashboard. Find the section for RedCard, Wallet, or payment methods depending on the page layout. Click RedCard to view your RedCard details and account-related options. If you are asked to verify your identity, follow the on-screen prompts. Check your email or phone for a verification code if Target sends one. Enter the code exactly as received and submit it to continue. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page. Enter your email or mobile number and follow the reset instructions. Create a new strong password and return to the sign-in page. If you are using a shared device, avoid selecting the Remember Me option. If the page will not load, refresh the browser or try opening the site in a new tab. If sign-in fails, confirm you are using the correct email or phone number. Make sure you are on the official site and not a lookalike link. If you have the Target app, you can also sign in there using the same credentials. Open the Target app, tap Sign In, and enter your account information. Once logged in, go to Wallet or Account in the app to find your RedCard. For security, sign out when you are finished, especially on public devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.